Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Noodles Unboxed. A very appropriate episode, if I may say so, because I know you want to see food and I want seafood, and today's flavor is seafood. Sometimes you can just smell trouble brewing. A clear warning sign here is the mention of only one bag of seasoning. As part of an elaborate backup plan that you probably wouldn't understand, I quickly test the musical qualities of this cup. It's a horrible drum, but it's a decent shaker. Cup noodles are generally designed with a mobile eating experience in mind. In that regard, Mama Seafood Noodles scores a point, providing us with, well, maybe not typical Asian cutlery, but with cutlery nonetheless. Mama is produced in Thailand, a beautiful country with an interesting language, friendly people and delicious food. Strangely, there isn't a single Thai letter on the whole package. We only see British, Dutch, German and French instructions. Apparently this is what Thailand thinks Europeans want to eat. And since this product is explicitly marked as export only, clearly the Thai themselves want nothing to do with it. Now I don't know about you, but I don't want to eat anything generic. So what kind of seafood are we talking about? Squid? Whale? Baby shark? Nothing of the sort. According to the ingredients, it's just fish, still generic, shrimp, mollusk and celery. Celery is not seafood, but it is very specific. There is another ingredient that I'll share a fun fact about in a little bit. If you're in the habit of rigorously throwing away packaging material, your culinary journey would have ended right here. You need the lid for the instructions and for keeping the noodles closed while soaking. There is the fork. Unfold it until it satisfyingly snaps into shape. But this only works once, trust me. Then there's our one bag of seasoning with some Thai letters. I'm surprised to see them, but I'm happy they're here. Now hidden in the noodles are some more ingredients, like this corn or maize. Did you expect to find corn in Thai seafood? That brings us to our fun fact. Where do you think Thailand ranks on the world's top 25 of maize producing countries? 25th. Not bad for a country that planted its first maize 70 years ago. Now remember that sometimes you can just smell trouble brewing? Upon opening this bag of seasoning, the smell of cat food fills the air. I regret not being able to read Thai. Maybe that's what it said on the package all along. Now we fill the cup with boiling water and let it soak for 3 minutes. And then try to eat. I was a bit worried in the first half, kids, I'm not gonna lie. Because the seasoning smelled like cat food. Luckily, that smell is gone. Sadly, so is every other smell. All that remains is the scent of wheat noodles in a warm plastic cup. And that's also sort of what it tastes like. If you taste the stock, first there's a lot of salt, then there's some pepper, and way in the distance you can taste the sea. But this is more like a camping experience in the woods, which is where you would eat this. Nothing wrong with it, but it's not the seafood experience that I was promised. Now I don't want to disrespect Mama, but she already had a fork, and to that I can only add one chopstick. Sorry, Mama. Now maybe you like these noodles very much, or maybe you don't like noodles at all, but you still like this video, then please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time when we unbox some more noodles. You know what? I might actually try to feed this to the cat. Chookie!